If you are planning to buy a gaming PC in 2023 and your budget is around $800, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you the best PC components that you can buy under $800. Let's get started. Now for the processor, I've chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. This one costs around $147. Now as you can tell by the reviews, this processor have nearly 19,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon, and this processor is an excellent budget gaming processor. It comes with 6 cores and 12 threads along with up to 4.6 GHz boost clock speed. Overall, it's an excellent budget gaming processor. And for the motherboard, we have chosen the Gigabyte B550M DS3H. This one costs around $114. Now this is the one of the most cheapest B550M board that you can buy, and you will get everything that you need, including 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD support. Actually, you will get 2 M2 slots, so you will be able to use 2 NVMe SSD. Small heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. All the ports that you need, and this is a B550 series motherboard, so you can overclock this processor. So it's an excellent deal in this price. Then comes the main components of this build, the graphics card, and here we are using Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3060. This one costs around $358. Now you can use this graphics card for gaming, streaming, video editing, everything that you need. And with this graphics card, you can basically play any modern games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings with more than 70 to 80 plus FPS, and you can also try 1440p gaming with medium to high settings in many titles. So it's an excellent mid-range budget gaming graphics card. Then for the RAM, we are using the silicon powered DDR4 16GB RAM. This one costs around $38. Now, these are one of the most cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy, and those RAMs comes with those excellent heatsink which will prevent those RAMs from getting overheated, and also they comes with lifetime warranty, so an excellent deal. Then for the storage, you are using Western Digital Black 500GB. This one costs only $35. Now it's an excellent deal in this price. It's because for only $35 you are going to get a PCIe Gen for SSD which comes with up to 4000 Mbps, which is insane for an SSD in this price. Then for the power supply, you are using the Cooler Master 650 watt power supply. This one costs around $79. Now it's an 80 plus bronze certified power supply, which is also a semi-modular power supply, so you can detach the unnecessary cables which you don't need, so your cable management will be excellent. And also this power supply comes with 5-year plus warranty, so it's an excellent deal in this price. And finally for the casing, you are using the Vetro MO3 compact case. This one costs only $69. Now with that price, you are going to get an pre-installed RGB fan in the back, mesh front, a side tempered glass, and an excellent case for only under $70. And all those components will cost you around $840. Thanks for watching.